Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel 9a, and today I will show you how you can record screen on this phone. To get started, you will want to swipe down from the top of your screen, and from here find the screen recording toggle. Oops, didn't want to press that. There we go. So because of the size of the font being egregiously huge, the screen recording toggle is, well, the text for it is cutting out, but you can see that's how it looks like, and for you these toggles should be a little bit more reasonable size. So anyway, once you see it, you can simply tap on it. This will bring up this window letting you choose if you want to record just a single application, specific one, or you can also record the entire screen. Additionally, you have an option to record audio, device audio, microphone, or both. And obviously if it's off, it's not going to be recording any of those. And then below that we have show touches on the screen, which records a semi-transparent gray dot wherever your finger was pressing the display. I'm going to enable this just so you can see how that looks like. So from there, again, because of the size of the text, we need to scroll down. Usually this would be all visible all at once without need to scroll. But anyway, from here, select record screen. This begins as a countdown and then starts recording with a sound, notification sound, and vibration. So whatever you'll do right now will be recorded by the device. Now I am going to quickly look for single thing. Oh, we don't have Netflix. I wanted to use Netflix as an example, as it's one of those applications that you wouldn't be able to record. So I kind of wanted to showcase this, but I can't. Anyway, once you're done recording, swipe down from the top of your screen to bring down your notifications and then select stop. This will automatically save your screen recording to your Photos application. And you will be able to see it under collections. And then we should have it, let's see, under screenshots. Oh no, not one of those, please, no. God damn it. Okay, now I won't be able to show it to you because some dipshit here is constantly changing the settings and never reverting them. So I genuinely have no clue whatsoever where this actual screen recording is saved to. Now I should actually be able to maybe click like this. Yep, so as a notification I can showcase this because it does give you a notification when you're finished recording it. So this is one way that I can showcase, and let's actually, while I'm here, I am very curious where is this being saved right now to. So it's storage, Emily 0, and movies for some reason. So let's see. There's no movies. Great. So we don't have a movies album in here. So that's interesting. So with this in mind, I can showcase this by actually going into files in this case, as I now know where that is. So files, and let's see. Where's this? Yep. And you can see it right here. Now, normally, going back to what I wanted to say, you should be able to find this in your Photos application, and it would be located under screenshots or screen recordings if it creates a folder called screen recordings. If it doesn't, it's going to be under screenshots or videos. And from there, obviously you can view it. Now, in this case, I wasn't able to show you this way because someone is changing the settings that I don't even know how to revert myself. So anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.